Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share the different ways to fix the slow Mac. If your Mac system is feeling laggy, like when you open any application or when you open the settings and it's taking time to load, it means there is some problem with the RAM utilization. So for that, what we need to do is first we need to free up the RAM. So right now, if you see in the dock station, there are multiple applications open. If you want to free up the RAM, the first thing you need to do is you need to identify what are the applications that are not in use, then you can just close it. For example, in the music applications, I do not want it. There is a note applications which I do not want it. As you close this application, system will be using this freed RAM to other applications or processes. So this is the first way. The second way is to go to the Finder, and within the Finder you can just go to Activity Monitor and open it. You can see what are the processes that is currently using the memory. So you can sort by memory here. So highest memory is Windows Server. This is the system. Do not touch it. You can see these applications. So this is Safari is open and Spotlight and even Chrome. And all these are utilizing some or the other memory. So what you can do, if there is any applications which is not in use, you can just select that application and then hit on this close button, then and select quit. That application will be closed and the RAM for occupied by that application will be freed up. Apart from that, you need to maintain at least 20% of the storage in your system to be free. For that, what you can do is you can just go to System Settings, and within the System Settings go to General tab and click on Storage, and it will display what is the free storage available for you out of the total storage. So you can see almost 33 GB of storage is available out of 62, which is almost 50%, so it's okay. Now, if you are having any applications which are running in the background and you want to don't know what all the applications are running in the background, for that what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo here, go to System Settings, and within the System Settings there are something called as login items, and within the login items there is something called as app background activity. So you can see the Google Updater, which I recently disabled, but if there are any other applications which are currently enabled and you do not want to run them in the background, you can just simply disable them, and then that application will not run in the background and the RAM used by that particular process will also be saved. Apart from that, what you need to do is you need to periodically restart your system once in a while so that all the background processes and unused processes are quit. So for that, what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo here, click on Restart button, and once you are restart, ensure that this option is unchecked so that all the applications which are not running or which are running in the background are closed, and click on the Restart button, and that will restart your system with all the background noise closed. And also ensure that you are running on the latest version of the macOS so that any security updates or performance updates are up to date. So for that, you can go to Apple logo, click on System Settings and click on the software update. You can check if your Mac is up to date. If it's updated, then there is no need to worry about it. So once you have performed all this activity one by one, you would be able to see the Mac system being a little bit faster, smoother and snappier than earlier. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.